It's another day. It's another glorious day, folks. Come on. Look at that, not a cloud in sight. Another location and another job to do, guys. Here we go. We're up at, is it New Cumnock or Cumnock we're at, Craig?
Cumnock.
We're up at Cumnock today. I couldn't remember if it was New Cumnock or Cumnock. One of our followers on Snapchat's been in touch with us. He's getting married tomorrow. So he's wanting his 165 looking yummy, guys. Actually well looked after tractor. It's not too bad at all. He's got it emptied out for us. What's it like in here? It's not too bad. So it's in for a full valet. Get it all yummy-fied up, folks. Ah, she's stuffed full back there, boy. Oh, she is stuffed full. Nice, good challenge. Here we go, folks.